Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google account's phone number. It is a fast and easy tutorial. It may take a week before you can use your new phone number to verify it's you for sensitive actions like changing your password. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Google. Now this is Google. If you have not linked your account, you can do it from here. Once you have logged into your Google account, you will see this Manage Your Google Account. Tap on it and wait for it to open. It will direct you to the settings, and as you can see from the screen, now you will need to tap on this Personal Info. Your profile info in Google Services. Personal info and options to manage it. You can make some of this info, like your contact details, visible to others so that they can reach you easily. Now scroll down to Contact Info, tap on the phone, then this edit icon. The update number page will open and you can change the number from here. Make sure you save. So this is how you can change Google account phone number. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.